Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we're taking DIY to a whole new level. Literally, this tiny house fits inside of a 4-inch globe. It's like building your tiny dream home, but with way less paperwork. I picked up this mini house kit, and it promises a relaxing build experience. Let's find out if that's true, or if I'm going to need some counseling by the end of this. Here is the manual, and oh good, it's in 6 languages, none of which are plain English. This is going to be fun. I have to be honest, I got this and thought, here's a quick afternoon project. I was wrong. This is very hands-on and detailed, but also strangely vague. Alright, first impressions, this kit has everything you need to build a tiny masterpiece. Look at these tiny parts. They're so small, I feel like I should apologize to my fingers in advance. These seem to be separated into bags to aid a little in assembly. The kit includes everything from tiny furniture to LED lights. The details are incredible though. I mean, who makes glue that works on a molecular scale? But hey, it's gonna come together. I started with the windows, and I ended up using my own wood glue. When opening the bottle it came with, I shot it all over, and I had to clean it up. This glue is Tight Bond 3 in a squeeze bottle with a needle tip. You can get these on Amazon, and I would highly recommend them. This fiber was used multiple times in this project, and I'm pretty sure it was dried up far more than it should have been. But I managed. In making this kit, I have to say if you have never built a project like this, you may struggle with how to do some of it. I know I did. But don't give up. There is a lot of inspiration to be had here. Also, a lot of knowledge about how to build miniatures. I learned a lot, and these projects are really the ones where you can let your imagination run wild. And in building miniatures, you don't use a whole lot of material, and the best part, when you're finished, they don't take up much space. In decorating these shelves, I did a little bit of my own thing. The books are made out of styrofoam and colored with a marker. And come on, this bed is too cute. A bed that fits on my thumb. When I was done with the assembly, I did go ahead and brush the whole thing with a watered down brown paint, just to age it and balance it a little bit. Wiring these LEDs were straightforward. I did solder them just to make them a little bit more reliable. And here's the moment of truth. If this house doesn't fit, it's not a dream home. It's a dream it'll fit home. But hey, perfect fit. I should moonlight as a jeweler. Now that's a thing of beauty, and it only took 3 hours, 2 cups of coffee, and one existential crisis. Of course, a masterpiece like this deserves its own pedestal. I designed a stand that complements the ornament style with a minimal look, a custom stand for a custom creation. Perfect for your desk, mantle. If you're like me, your ever-expanding do-it-yourself shrine. So, what do you think? Would you build something like this? Let me know in the comments. And while you're there, hit that like button and subscribe for more tiny projects with a big impact. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And remember, if you can dream it, you can build it.